Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of earthquakes. We will explore what causes earthquakes, the different types of faults, how earthquakes are measured, the science behind seismic waves and Earth's interior, the role of seismographs, the effects of earthquakes, and finally, earthquake preparedness. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. What causes earthquakes? Most earthquakes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates, which are large pieces of the Earth's crust that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. The Earth's crust is made up of large plates that move. Sometimes, these plates move apart, collide, or slide past each other, causing cracks or fractures in the Earth's surface. These cracks are called faults. There are three main types of faults. Normal fault: imagine pulling apart a piece of clay. This is similar to what happens in a normal fault. When the Earth's plates move apart, the rocks between them stretch and break, creating a fault. This type of fault occurs when there are tensional forces, or pulling forces, acting on the Earth's crust. Reverse fault: now, imagine pushing together two pieces of clay. This is similar to what happens in a reverse fault. When the Earth's plates collide, the rocks between them squeeze and push upwards, creating a fault. This type of fault occurs when there are compressional forces, or pushing forces, acting on the Earth's crust. Strike-slip fault: picture two puzzle pieces sliding past each other. This is similar to what happens in a strike-slip fault. When the Earth's plates slide horizontally past each other, the rocks along the fault line move sideways. This type of fault occurs when there are shear forces, or sliding forces, acting on the Earth's crust. Faults can cause earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and changes in the Earth's landscape. Understanding faults helps us learn more about the Earth's movement and how it shapes our planet. Magnitude is a measure of the energy released by an earthquake. The Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake, ranging from 0 to 10 or more. Each whole number increase on the scale represents a tenfold increase in the amplitude of the seismic waves. Seismic waves are the energy waves that radiate outward from an earthquake's epicenter. There are two main types of seismic waves: primary, P, waves, fastest waves that compress and expand rocks in the direction of wave propagation. Secondary, S, waves, slower waves that shake the ground perpendicular to their direction of travel. Surface waves, slowest waves that move along the Earth's surface and cause the most damage. A seismograph is an instrument used to record and measure the motion of the ground during an earthquake. It consists of a stationary base and a suspended weight or mass that remains stationary during an earthquake but records the motion of the ground. Ground shaking can cause buildings, bridges, and other structures to collapse. Tsunamis. Underwater earthquakes can generate large ocean waves that travel long distances. Landslides. Slopes become unstable, leading to the downhill movement of soil and rocks.